Hello guys, back to my channel. I am Keshav from class 8. So today I am going to teach you that small children to use mode developer means if you have to increase their brain mode developer so they can play these games. So here are some games, so you can see these letters, and this is one game I will explain you because most of the parents wrote in comments that if any games are there for 1 to 5 years old, because from 1 to 5 years old the brain gets very set and they can means talk, think, play, anything. Okay, so let's start. So what are the things? You can make any simple white paper, you can take and draw any means like this. So now let me teach you the game. Okay, wait. So what's the game over here? You can draw any type of shape, any type of means, anything you can draw. So what is the thing? Your hands should not go one is ahead, one is back. No, it should go together. So like this. With same speed, not much and more speed. You can do with pens also, means any pens. So you can see. But with hands is very much better. So now second game. There is a red color curly, you can see. So now take your both hands and go with the same speed. If you are going slow also, it's okay, but go with same speed and you should reach with same speed over there. So you can see. Now with next hand, so now with next hand you can take this and another hand like this. So now here also you should go with same speed, slowly. Now you can go upwards and downwards. Okay, so next game. Now here you can see there is a simple ball over here, so you have to go here with, and here is a green tree, you can see it. So you have to take this orange, you have to go there, and with this you have to go green. Means both at a time you have to go, not one time you should go, both at a time. So let's start. So 1 2 3 go. So here you can increase your speed, but your hand should not move over here and there. Now you should come back also with the same speed. So with this you can have fun and your brain will get more development. Okay, and it's not like that only kids can play for 1 to 5 years. No, anyone can play this game. So whenever you should know that this is my left hand, but you are seeing this is my right, and this is my right hand, you are seeing left. Okay, so when your right hand works, so your left brain works, because there is not means like my right hand and right brain will both together work. No, there is opposite sides. Okay, so then next game is, here is the bat, wait, here is the bat and here is the ball. So you have to take this to this ball And now here is the charger and here is the iPhone. Just joking, it's a phone, simple. So let's start. So now here charger, mobile has to go to charge and ball has to go to bat, because when bowler balls so bat hits. So let's start. So now again we will go. You can increase your speed anytime, but it should be on the same line. See, I got it crooked. So you should be very clear. So now this game is over. Now we will move to next game. So what's the game over here? These are all letters. Okay. So it's of red and blue color. So if child will see that, if you will say to any kid or child that I want yellow color, so he will search and he will how he will get the red or blue color. Okay, red or yellow color. So now if you will say red color, so it will see red color. So now one more, there is a eco game. What you have to do? First we will take what? Red. Okay. Sorry. First you will take red. Then again you have to put yellow simultaneously. Then again red. With this you can make a sandwich and you can see that you have to eat burger or what. See, you can see it's like burger. So now we will take yellow. Okay, it's breaking. Yeah, wait. Okay, you can try this because it's a smooth surface. So friends, I am sure you like my video, so please like and subscribe. Jai Hind.